Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So I am here in Puerto Princesa. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon sa airport kasi sobrang pagod ko sa biyahe. Today, my activity is going to underground the river. Medyo maambon siya. Ngayon, ewan ko kung makikita nyo siya. Medyo maambon. Yan. So hopefully hindi naman siya umulan, no? Para ma-enjoy natin yung activities natin.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have approximately 1.5 hour to 2 hour of travel time, including the stopover.
So I just arrived here in the zip line. So before we go to the underground river, I'm gonna do first the zip line. Pangalan mo? Siya yung maghahatid sa amin sa zip line. Ay, magbo-boat! Wow, it's nice. So, ayan si Kuya. Hardworking, tagahila ng balsa. It's nice here in Puerto Princesa. It's my first time here. Yeah. We'll be crossing a jungle. Jungle, gubat to, Kuya, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan si Kuya, napaka-supportive.
Lalabas po tayo sa my base area.
So I am here in Sabang and I am with Joe. So we decided to be together. To stick together. To stick together with because we'll be doing the same activity. We'll be doing the zip line because among the group, okay. I think they chose to do the paddle mangrove. The beach. And it's so nice. I don't know if I can capture those crabs. We have baby crabs. I don't know if I can see the. Oh yeah. So we'll cross here. So here up. Okay, napakatabi. So I'm ready. So it's my turn. Hello, Kuya.
Hello.
Anong name mo, Kuya?
Louis po.
Safe ba to?
Safe na safe mo.
Safe to, sure ha?
Sure na.
I love you, Mama! 800 meters to, Kuya, no?
Ma'am, dito lang pong hawak niyo, ma'am.
Dito lang ako.
Huwag kang hawak sa kabili po.
Okay po. Safe na to, Kuya, ha?
Yes, ma'am. Basta po huwag lang kayo hawak sa kabili.
Paano pag nalaglag ako doon, Kuya?
May sagot na.
Oh my God! This is it! I'm going! To the rescue!
At tumigilang mundo.
Anong name mo, Kuya? Elizar. Ayan si Kuya. My hero. Ayan.
Ma'am, may tutog ito.
Okay. Ow! Fuck! Buti na lang di ako nahulog, Kuya, no? Sino sasagip pag nahulog? Sino sasagip pag nahulog? Ha? Kayo din? So I'm done. Yeah. You're done. Nice?
Yes.
Yeah.
But too quick.
Yeah. So we're done with the zip line. We're heading back to the meeting point with our tour guide. Huh? Oh. No. Yeah. It's rainy. Hello, Kuya. Monkey. And chongo. Monkey. So, we're already here in the underground river. So as you can see, full gear na ako with the audio device. This will like serve as an interpreter, or it will tell something about the underground river. It's very informational. So we're already in the boat, going inside the cave.
哎，大婶，大婶，大婶，前面的大婶，你们可以小声一点吗？
Nagagalit siya.
We are entering the cave now. This is the opening of the cave. As you can see, there are bats flying up there. I don't know if I'll be able to capture this. Wow, so this is amazing.
So we are going outside the underground river. Going back to our boat. Babalik na. Gutom na, kuya. Gutom na ako. Gusto ko na kumain. Balik na tayo sa boat. Ay, kuya, lakas-lakas. Kakain na kami kasi sobrang
tomorrow.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Lyra ang please subscribe and follow. Yeah. One of the best restaurants in Puerto Princesa. Wow. Ganda ng ambience.
Ako na kaya.
Para siyang restaurant in the jungle. Ay, kasama ko pala si Sir Boyet. Siya yung may-ari ng accommodation na tinutulayan ko ngayon. So yan. Hello.
Sobrang clean sila dito. Hello. Busig na kami dito. Table for two. Hello, good evening. Hello. So this is the comfort room. It's so social. OMG. At ang linis. So tomorrow I'm going to El Nido, so I'll see you there. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of